Memorial Day, kind of wet weekend here with still some clouds and still some showers in the mountains, but you know what? It was doable. Still, I know a lot of people made the best of it. Saturday was pretty dry, and even Sunday across the northern part of the state was pretty dry. Other areas like Helena was very wet and still kind of soggy and gray out there, 53 degrees. Had some sun earlier today in Great Falls, still a couple of showers off in the distance. Chilly, 51. North winds gusting to 30 miles per hour. The record high of 93, nowhere near that. The average high of 68, nowhere near that at any point here this weekend. It is a little warmer still. We're in the 60s across the northern part of the state. Kind of temperatures almost upside down. We've got 40s and 50s in the southern part of the state. Even northern parts of Wyoming and eastern Idaho are in the 40s. And we're still dealing with a winter storm warning here for the Beartooth, the Absarokas, also the Pryor Mountains and the Bighorn Mountains that do kind of extend, at least the foothills, into southern Montana right there. But once again, more wet weather, at least in the southern half of the state. Great Falls shows you a couple of those showers off in the distance. And a few of these showers may briefly put down some moderate rainfall here. We have another round of showers that are working their way into the Big Belt Mountains here that may come down into the Helena Valley yet, up along the Rocky Mountain fronts and out to about Conrad and Shelby and Valier, picking up some showers. Choteau and Augusta, some good showers here over the last few hours. Big Sandy picking up some wet weather. Hayes and the Little Rockies had a nice little shower that is diminishing as it moves into northern Fergus County. And Glasgow looks like it'll be dry here for the rest of this evening. But that was a pretty big storm here for a lot of the northern Rockies and the northern plains. Elsewhere, southern tier and the eastern part of the country, was kind of a really amazing weekend weather-wise. So back here, a couple of showers still coming through all the way through the overnight. Now, notice the clouds and the showers still around Helena and Bozeman and Livingston. The cloud cover should keep the temperatures up above the freezing point, but a few areas close to Great Falls and just to the north and to the northeast may have some overnight lows down there around 33, 34, 35 degrees here. For tomorrow, more sunshine, still a few showers in the western part of the state. Light sprinkles here, nothing really that heavy, but we're slowly improving and heading into Wednesday. Looks like there's a little cluster of showers that could potentially come across the western part of the state here into early Wednesday morning. Some fog, north central Montana, but by Wednesday afternoon, we're looking pretty nice here for a lot of the state. More sunshine and warmer temperatures than we've seen here for a little while. Wednesday, June 1st already. Snowfall still a little bit down there in the Beartooth Mountains, the Absarokas there, even the Little Belts, and then up along the Rocky Mountain front tonight into early tomorrow morning could have a light accumulation of some snow. Looking ahead into the first weekend of June. Friday, scattered showers and storms central and western Montana, but Saturday, rain increases across a lot of the state, and Sunday, widespread rainfall that will continue Sunday night into Monday. First weekend of June is looking rather wet. Here's the forecast for tonight. Again, a couple of these numbers close to the freezing point, but I think the amount of moisture and the cloud cover and even the wind that we have out there should keep the temperatures above the freezing point, unless you're heading to Showdown, where we'll have lows there right around the freezing point. Even Great Divide, overnight temperatures above the freezing point here. For Tuesday, some sun. I'm going to call it a partly to mostly cloudy day, 50s and 60s, maybe a 70 out there around Jordan, and a couple of sprinkles in the western part of the state. Wednesday, first day of June, probably the nicest day this week for a lot of the state, 60s and 70s, a couple of isolated mountain showers. Thursday, the western half of Montana, some scattered showers and storms. Eastern Montana looks great. And Friday, really starting to see that moisture roll back in. Scattered more showers and thunderstorms on Friday, but Saturday, Sunday, possibly into Monday, very wet weather once again across a lot of the state that should put a dent in our drought.